What's the meaning of chaste? Chaste. Chaste.
Chaste. Chaste. Chaste refers to being pure or abstaining from sexual activity. It is often used to describe someone who is morally upright and refrains from engaging in any kind of sexual behavior that is considered inappropriate or immoral. This can also refer to a state of mind or attitude, characterized by a desire for purity and self-control. In broader terms, the term chaste can also refer to anything that is pure, simple, or free from excess or corruption. Overall, chaste represents a commitment to high moral standards and a disciplined approach to life.